Hey, if you've ever thought about having a destination wedding, today I'm going to show you how you can add Thailand to your list of places that you might want to have your wedding. Today we are at Vivaris International Bridal right here in the Ramanine area of Bangkok. We're going to go in, take a look around, see what they have to offer in their wedding dress selections, and we're going to try on a few dresses, so come on, this should be fun. You ready to try on some dresses?
I am.
Family home. So. Oh wow. Can I look back there? Malika is
I
the
did not
model for
know
the day.
she was coming and we were going to do this today, so I wore.
Make a pretty face. That's beautiful. Me too. That's beautiful. That makes you look like coming to America. Look.
Actually,
You like this better?
To be. So this is Mina. Thank you so much, Mina.
the store has been open maybe
28 years.
Yes.
A lot of weddings.
Yes.
I know you guys are glad to be back open again and business coming back. Yeah, more weddings, lots of people coming to Thailand. So do you get a lot of foreigners? A lot of Farang?
Yes.
A lot of Farang, okay. Yeah,
Nina?
it is. It's more princess.
Like it doesn't.
So the dress that we like the most,
Yes.
what's the price for rental? You have an option to rent or to buy. So
Yes. For the rental, 19,900 baht. But if you want like to buy, 20,900 baht.
wow.
So how long is the rental?
Sorry, 27,900 baht.
Okay, correction on that one.
For the rental?
Mira helped us out today. I want to thank you for showing us around. And if you are in Bangkok and you're looking for a wedding dress, this is a place you should come and check out. It's the most
International bridal.
beautiful selection of dresses.